What happens when you fast for 7 days? Imagine taking a journey where you explore what happens to your body when you decide to go without food for an entire week. It's not just about losing weight or improving health. It's about delving deep into how fasting can impact us in profound ways. Let's understand the journey of a 7-day fast. Fasting for 7 days isn't merely a pause from eating. It's a physiological adventure where your body undergoes significant transformations. These changes extend far beyond just shedding a few pounds. They influence everything from your energy levels to how your muscles adapt to the absence of food. When you first begin fasting, the initial weight loss you experience is primarily due to water. Here's why. Your body stores carbohydrates in the form of glycogen in the liver and muscles. Each gram of glycogen binds with about 3 grams of water. As your body starts to utilize these stored carbs for energy, it also releases the water they're holding on to. This process can lead to a noticeable drop in your weight during the first few days of fasting. After the initial phase of water loss, your body enters a state known as ketosis. This is where the magic happens in terms of fat loss. Ketosis occurs when your body starts relying on fat stores for energy because it has depleted its glycogen reserves. Essentially, your body shifts its metabolism to burn fat as its primary fuel source. This metabolic switch not only aids in weight loss, but also has implications for energy levels and mental clarity. One of the biggest concerns people have about extended fasting, such as a 7-day fast, is the potential loss of muscle mass. It's a valid concern because when your body is in a prolonged fasting state, it needs to find sources of energy beyond fat stores alone. However, research has shown that during fasting, human growth hormone levels increase significantly. Human growth hormone plays a crucial role in preserving muscle tissue by stimulating protein synthesis and reducing muscle breakdown. This means that despite not consuming protein directly, your body can maintain muscle mass more effectively than you might expect. Contrary to what some might think, incorporating exercise during a fast can actually enhance the benefits you experience. This concept, known as fasted training, involves exercising while in a fasted state. Studies suggest that fasted training can improve insulin sensitivity and increase fat oxidation rates, which means your body becomes more efficient at using fat for energy. However, it's essential to strike a balance and not overdo it, as excessive physical activity without sufficient food intake can lead to fatigue and potential muscle loss. Another critical aspect of successfully navigating a 7-day fast is ensuring your electrolytes are properly balanced. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium play essential roles in maintaining nerve function, muscle contractions, and fluid balance within the body. During fasting, especially if you're exercising or experiencing increased urine output due to the diuretic effects of fasting, you may lose more electrolytes than usual. Replenishing these minerals through foods rich in electrolytes or supplements can help prevent dehydration, muscle cramps, and other potential issues associated with electrolyte imbalances. Sea salt emerges as a surprising ally during fasting. Beyond enhancing the flavor of your food, sea salt provides essential trace minerals that support hydration and electrolyte balance. Unlike table salt, which is often stripped of these beneficial minerals, sea salt retains minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, all of which are crucial for maintaining optimal health during a fast. Understanding how fasting impacts insulin levels is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Insulin is a hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels by facilitating the absorption of glucose into cells. During fasting, insulin levels naturally decrease, which allows your body to switch from using glucose, aka sugar, as its primary energy source to using fat. This shift is why fasting is effective for weight loss and improving insulin sensitivity over time. Rather than focusing on loading up on carbohydrates before a fast, which can cause insulin spikes and hinder the fat-burning process, prioritizing protein consumption can be more beneficial. Protein not only helps maintain muscle mass, but also promotes satiety and has minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to carbohydrates. Opting for high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes ensures that you're providing your body with essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and overall health. Despite the challenges of fasting for an entire week, there are potential immune-boosting benefits to consider. A well-planned nutrient-rich diet before and after fasting can help support your immune system. Nutrients like B vitamins, found in foods like nutritional yeast and leafy greens, are essential for energy production and immune function. Zinc, another vital nutrient, plays a crucial role in maintaining immune health by supporting the body's ability to fight off infections and promoting wound healing. Here are practical tips for a successful 7-day fast. Preparing for a 7-day fast requires careful planning and consideration of various factors. Tip number 1. Pre-fast preparation. Gradually reduce your food intake in the days leading up to your fast to ease your body into the process. Tip number 2. Hydration. Drink plenty of water before and during your fast to stay hydrated, and consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages or supplements. Tip number 3. Nutrient density. Consume nutrient-dense foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your body's needs during fasting. Tip number 4. Exercise moderation. Engage in light physical activities such as walking or yoga to maintain muscle tone without overexerting yourself. Tip number 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel physically and mentally throughout the fast. If you experience severe discomfort or adverse symptoms, consider breaking the fast and consulting a healthcare professional. So, in conclusion, embarking on a 7-day fast isn't just a test of willpower. It's an opportunity to understand and harness the remarkable capabilities of your body. From shedding initial water weight to tapping into fat stores for energy, fasting can lead to profound changes in your metabolism and overall well-being. By preparing adequately, maintaining electrolyte balance, and focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can support your body through this transformative experience. Remember, fasting is a journey that requires mindfulness, preparation, and respect for your body's needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.